Good morning. My name is Wesley James. I'm a meteorologist on the night watch of the 24/7 Fleetweather Ocean Routing Center in New York. Current time is 10Z on the 16th of September 2022, and today's discussion will be on the North Atlantic Basin. We have two areas to discuss today, being the tropics and the enhanced pressure gradient between the Azores High and a low over the Baltic Sea, producing an enhanced gradient and inclement weather over the North Sea and even spilling into the Gulf of Lyon. We have one active tropical system, Fiona, which is currently a tropical storm and is moving westward at 13 knots. We also have a low chance in its wake and two additional tropical waves, which we are monitoring. Moving forward, we have an active satellite loop of Fiona. This is maximum sustained wind 45 knots, gusting to 55 knots. Its low-level center is exposed on the western periphery of the system, so it is encountering some shear. However, it is expected to strengthen as it moves westward, maintaining tropical storm strength, however, and then expected to recurve over the Greater Antilles and make its way towards the Bahamas by Wednesday. Additionally, we have a low chance, which is going to be moving into the center of the basin. However, 0% chance in the next 48 hours and 20% chance within 5 days. So this will be slower to develop. And we saw this cluster of convection in this opening slide here. So we'll move forward to our internal forecast product, Otis, where we can see significant wave heights in contour and wind speeds in barbs. As we push forward in time here, we can see the asymmetry in this particular system with the majority of the inclement weather in the northern hemisphere or the northern quadrants of this system as it moves over the Lesser Antilles and then into the Greater Antilles, making impacts with the Dominican Republic. This is by the 19th at 0Z. Should this system reemerge on the northern edge of this is where we'll see a lot of strengthening, but this is getting into the long term now, and these Greater Antilles can be storm killers, so riding this line can be a little bit unpredictable. Where it comes off is going to greatly impact how much it strengthens and when it strengthens, so we'll be monitoring this quite closely. As we can see here, now that we're out by 2112Z, we can see the formation of this low is still quite weak, but this is what we're monitoring as well in the central Atlantic Basin. Now we're going to move away from the tropics and talk about this enhanced gradient that we have between the Azores high pressure, 1024 millibars west of Ireland, and a low which we have over the Baltic Sea. This low is going to move very slowly to the north or east-northeast. This is 12-hour time steps are moving forward, and we can see that pressure gradient persisting over the North Sea. This will be rather unavoidable, so if a vessel cannot handle these conditions, they're going to have to wait within the Danish Straits or slow within the English Channel to avoid these conditions. And then spilling into the Gulf of Lyon, we have a Mistral wind event enhanced by a low over the Linguinarian Sea. This event is ongoing currently. Will strengthen through 1712Z. And will persist through the 20th before dissipating the 21st 0Z. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Wesley James. See you next time. Stay connected and safe.